Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, you can see gold sinks to 7-month lows. Gold weekend below 1850 an ounce on Monday, sinking to its lowest levels in 7 months and pressure from a strong dollar and elevated treasury yields. Gold dips to 7-month low on dollar strength, focus shifts to US data. And this is the chart of gold. We discussed about the possibility of gold going down right after the market opening on Saturday, and we can see that gold is really going down. So far, our sell positions on the chart on the chart of gold have been doing a fine job, but this time I did not have the sell stop because mm, I do not prefer to take a trade right after the market opening and right at the time of closing. So this is something that I have learned in my past 10 years, that we should always avoid the market at the time of opening and as well as at the time of closing. And we can see that right after the market opening, gold started going down and I did not have my sales stop. So I missed the opportunity. And the problem is that, okay, when the Forex market opens, the timing is pretty weird in my country. So it is around 2:30 a.m. at night. So who trades at 2:30 a.m.? I don't know. Okay, at least I don't trade. So right now we can see that gold is standing at 1840, 1839 level. So my dear friend, if you already have taken a sell position, if you stay in US and if the market time suited you, then obviously you are in good profit right now. Be on the trade, because we can see the market sentiment is still very bearish and market is also going down. If you look at the chart of dollar, then dollar is not that bullish, but still we can see the dollar is also trying to go up. And obviously there is no doubt about the bullishness of dollar. US dollar is an uptrend for quite some time, and obviously the market sentiments are also helping it. Overall, both technically and fundamentally, US dollar is bullish right now. But my dear friend, as I have said earlier, that we have many news in this week, and there is a possibility that one news or one fundamental factor may bring a trend reversal on the chart of US dollar. Because for a trend reversal, we need the backing of a news, we need the backing of a fundamental factor. And we can see that events are starting from today. This is the economic calendar. You can see we have a long list of events, and along with that we have ISM manufacturing PMI coming up, and also Federal Chair Powell's speech. So there is a possibility that market will show some retracement. Market may also show some indication of a trend reversal, but not before the news. After news there is a possibility, but before news we need to consider the market in this present scenario only. Okay, and beginners, try to avoid trading at the time of news, because you don't need to gamble with your capital. Already the market has shown enough crazy moves in the last couple of days. So as we have already discussed earlier in my previous video on Saturday, that if US dollar index DXY wants to continue the upside, it will have to break 106.90107 level. Then only we'll get a confirmation that yes, dollar is continuing the uptrend. And in case market breaks 105 level, then yes, there is a possibility that we may get to see some trend reversal. But as of now, we can see market is going up, so let's wait and watch. But again, I'll say dollar needs to cross the previous high here for the confirmation of the continuation of uptrend. And in case US dollar shows retracement, then we have some minor support around 105.70, and if market shows deeper correction, deeper retracement, then we have support around 105.30. But in case after the news DXY breaks 105 level, things may be a little bit heading towards the trend reversal. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. My dear friend, if you already have taken a sell position, be on the trade, enjoy the ride. Hopefully you are in good profit. And if you're looking for fresh opportunity, and if you have also missed the sell position just like me, then obviously you need to wait for some time, and chances are very less that we will get some opportunity for the day. So first of all, I would like to take you to the daily chart, because we can see that on the daily chart gold is standing at the FIBO 50% retracement level, and in this market condition you cannot expect a trend reversal from 50 retracement level. Max to max we can expect a minor bounce, because this FIBO level doesn't have the strength and potential to change the direction of the market. Yes, we have some bias around this area, but the market sentiment is above all. Market sentiment is extremely bearish, And in this market sentiment, in this market condition, okay, trend is above all, trend is very strong right now. Then we have some support around 1810 level. 1810 level. Let's wait and watch how market reacts. But one thing is very much certain, that if market breaks 1835 level, gold will be heading towards 1810 level, and things will be really scary for those who are still holding buy position. Be careful if you still have a buy position, because still there is no sign of trend reversal yet. After news, nobody knows, but as of now things are not very positive. So my dear friend, max to max we can expect a minor bounce, but in this market condition it is better to avoid any sort of buy position because you may get trapped. 1810 is still there in the market, but let's not discuss about 1810 right now. Let's discuss about the trading opportunities for the day. So again I'm repeating that if you already have taken a sell position, be on the trade, no need to exit. Further downside on the market is possible, and as you can see right now, that gold is trying to take some support around this area. Market is also very much oversold, so there may be a dead cat bounce or a small bounce. That doesn't mean that it's a trend reversal. Keep in mind, pullback, retracement are different things, and trend reversal is a different chapter overall. Okay, so in this market condition, okay, the best selling opportunity is around 1860. Where 1860. So if market goes up and reverses from 1860 level, we will get a better selling opportunity, because the 50 moving average have been doing a fine job, and around 1860 we can also see that we have the previous support also working as resistance. So this level on the chart of gold is very good for a sell position before news. After news, nobody knows. My dear friends, you may not like that I'm repeating all the time that after news nobody knows like that, but as a retail trader you need to know your limitations. As a retail trader you need to know, you need to understand when to trust the fundamentals and when to trust the technicals, and it is very essential for survival in the market. Okay, so around 1860 level we have a good selling opportunity for the day. And if we draw Fibor from this particular portion of the chart here, then you can see that around 1855 also we have some minor level. Around 1855 also we have some minor level, but to be honest, these levels are very weak. If the retracement or the pullback is very slow, very weak, then we can expect some sort of reversal around 1855 level. But otherwise it is better to wait for the 1860 level if you have missed the opportunity just like me. Okay, or what you can do is you can also wait for the market to recover. When market, let's assume that market recovers from here, so this will be the low of the market, isn't it? So next time when market will break this low here, then also you can take a sell position, but with proper risk management, because already market has shown extreme selling in the last couple of days. Those who are new to the market, those who have failed to understand, see this in simple words, whenever you will see a trending market, it is always safe to take a sell position at retracement, or that I always say is sell on rise. Okay, sell on rise is the best trading strategy, and not only in forex market but in any market. Sell on rise is the best trading strategy whenever you'll see market falling, because your risk to reward ratio is in your favor and it's safer to take a sell position. So in simple words, you need to look for a resistance so that you can go for a sell. Why resistance? Because at resistance we have maximum number of sellers, and in this market condition around 1860 we have good number of sellers. But sometimes market is so weak that it fails to go towards the resistance level. In that case we need to also trade at breakdown, and in this case we can look for a sell below 1839. But as I said, taking a sell position at resistance is much more safer, so you need to be a little bit careful when you take a sell at breakdown, because already the market has shown extreme selling pressure. Hopefully you understood my point right now, and please be careful at the time of news, because we have two news coming up and market will be volatile. Okay, and especially beginners, new traders, do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and because at the time of news your stop loss will not work, especially if you're not trading with GTC, because slippage is a big problem in the forex market, but in GTC, okay, there is no problem of slippage. My dear friends, if you're not happy with your current forex broker, looking for a better option facing withdrawal and deposit issues, then GTC Global Trade Capital is the solution for you. For all these years I have been looking for a forex broker who solve all the problem, and GTC may not be a very popular name like IC Market, 8cap, Paperstone, but trust me guys, if we compare, then GTC is the best solution for traders like you and me. There are many reasons. You just go to the website and you'll find all the information. I do not want to explain here and bore you, but trust me guys, GTC is a regulated broker. You'll find all the information about the regulation, and the best part is that your capital is also protected. You don't need to worry about broker running away with your hard-earned money. Okay, you can see the compensation of fund is there. Personally, I like GTC because of few reasons. Number one reason is that they do not manipulate the market like other brokers. Probably you guys have faced the problem that after taking a position or when you are holding a position, sometimes at night you see that there's a sudden spike in the market, and that happens because the broker hunt down the stop losses. Sometimes we think, or most of the time we think, that we are retail traders, we are trading against the institutions, but in reality our broker is standing against us. Okay, so in GTC you don't face the problem. It's a regulated broker. You can see your capital is also covered. There multilingual support, and the best part is that you can trade at the time of news. Probably you have faced the problem of slippage at the time of news. Your stop loss doesn't work at the time of news. In GTC you will not face the problem, and this is a big thing. Okay, those who love to trade at the time of news, they know what is the importance of sleepage. So my dear friends, if you're looking for a solution, then yes, GTC is the best solution that we have right now. Usually they provide a leverage of 1:500, but if you open your account through my link, my referral link, then you will get a leverage of 1:2000. And most importantly, if you face any problem with the broker, then you don't need to worry about the customer support, because I'll be able to help you out. Okay, because these brokers are offshore brokers, they are located in different nations, different countries. So as a result, if something happens also, we are totally dependent on the customer support. So here you don't need to worry. Yes, the customer support is very, very good, but apart from that, I will also be able to help you out if you open your account through my referral. The link is in the description. Trust me guys, GTC is the best solution we have.